Phalaenopsis lueddemanniana, a gardener's guide to Lueddeman's moth orchid. Hi everyone, Furbu here. Today we're diving into the world of Phalaenopsis lueddemanniana, also known as Lueddeman's moth orchid. This stunning orchid is a popular choice for collectors, but it can also be a rewarding plant for beginners with proper care. Phalaenopsis lueddemanniana is a type of epiphytic orchid, meaning it grows on other plants in the wild. It's native to the Philippines and boasts beautiful, large blooms with broad, ruffled petals and sepals. The flowers come in various shades, with the most common being white with yellow or brown markings on the lip, the central petal. What makes Phalaenopsis lueddemanniana special? Here's what makes this orchid a standout. Long-lasting blooms. Phalaenopsis lueddemanniana produces multiple flower spikes, each holding several blossoms. These flowers can last for weeks, providing a dazzling display for extended periods. Relatively easy care. Compared to some other orchid varieties, Phalaenopsis lueddemanniana is considered moderately easy to care for. With the right conditions, it can thrive indoors. Compact size. This orchid is a good choice for those with limited space. It typically reaches a height of 0.1 to 0.5 meters, 4 to 20 inches, and a similar spread. Phalaenopsis lueddemanniana versus Phalaenopsis hybrids. Phalaenopsis lueddemanniana is a species orchid, meaning it occurs naturally. Many of the Phalaenopsis orchids you see in stores are hybrids, bred for specific traits like larger flowers, a wider variety of colors, or more compact growth. Here's a quick comparison. Feature Phalaenopsis lueddemanniana. Phalaenopsis hybrids flower size large, can vary greatly. Flower color white, with markings. Wide variety growth. Habit compact, can vary greatly. Care requirements moderately easy, can vary greatly. Availability less common. Widely available. Price may be slightly higher, can vary greatly. How to care for Phalaenopsis lueddemanniana. To keep your Phalaenopsis lueddemanniana happy and blooming, follow these basic guidelines. Light. Phalaenopsis lueddemanniana prefers bright, indirect light. Avoid direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Watering. Water your orchid deeply when the roots turn silver gray. Allow excess water to drain freely and avoid letting the plant sit in water. Temperature. This orchid thrives in warm temperatures, ideally between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid extreme temperature fluctuations. Humidity. Moderate to high humidity is ideal. You can increase humidity by placing your orchid on a pebble tray filled with water or using a humidifier. Fertilizer. Use a balanced orchid fertilizer during the growing season, spring and summer, according to the product instructions. Additional tips for success. Potting. Phalaenopsis lueddemanniana prefers a well-draining orchid potting mix. Opt for a pot with clear sides to monitor root health. Repotting. Repot your orchid every 2 to 3 years, or when the roots outgrow the pot. Blooming. Your orchid may bloom once or twice a year. To encourage blooming, provide cooler night temperatures, around 60 degrees Fahrenheit per 15 degrees Celsius, for a few weeks. Where can I buy Phalaenopsis lueddemanniana? You can find this orchid at some specialty orchid nurseries and online retailers. Is Phalaenopsis lueddemanniana fragrant? The flowers may have a faint, pleasant fragrance during the day. What are some common problems with Phalaenopsis lueddemanniana? Overwatering, root rot, and lack of light are common issues. Can I propagate Phalaenopsis lueddemanniana? Yes, propagation is possible through keiki, baby plantlets, that may form on the flower spikes. Conclusion. Phalaenopsis lueddemanniana is a beautiful and rewarding orchid for orchid enthusiasts and beginners alike. With proper care, this orchid will grace your home with its elegant blooms for years to come. If you find yourself drawn to its unique charm, don't hesitate to give it a try. With a little research and these helpful tips, you can provide the perfect environment for your Phalaenopsis lueddemanniana to flourish. Remember, happy orchid, happy you.